Hey folks, here is a Joule Thief using a 1.2 volt nickel metal hydride rechargeable and TV ferrite flyback in there, and that's a Cree 6 watt 40 watt equivalent, and provides quite good light for a 350 milliwatt input. Yeah, does rather well. Take a look here. And here's the wall wart for the other LEDs that I've been using. So you can see those up there. Those use almost 2 watts at around 12 volt input there. So yeah, this still provides quite a bit of useful light. Obviously you can use regular AA's. Squeeze every bit of juice out of them. Oh, there you go. Thank you for watching. Bye.